allergy and immunology discipline actually had to start with developing a laboratory besides the clinical program.
The most famous paper that you had on the most common allergy in Chinese, the bird's nest allergy. So I remember those nights where we were working in the lab there, I was doing my Chinese medicine on glomerulonephritis project, and there you were boiling all those bird's nests, and I was thinking what a waste of money putting it into the test tube instead of letting us eat the bird's nest. It was quite fun, I thought, in those days. Because of the work in our immunology lab, it actually influenced in our development of kidney transplant. Because for kidney transplantation to do well, you really need research in the transplant immunology itself. And because of the techniques developed in your lab, we were able therefore to develop our pediatric kidney transplant program. The major challenge was to bring in the right staff to be able to provide specialized dialysis nursing, and not just dialysis nursing, but recognizing that the success of the program is not about survival, it's about the quality of life, and that these children are going to graduate from some vocation or other. And to do that, then you need a whole psychosocial support team. So that's where the NKF came in to help us raise those funds as well, to be able to have program managers, there are social workers, and to bring in psychologists.
Our focus now not only on asthma, eczema, food allergy is very important, how to counsel patients, how to do food challenges. And I think all this has developed because not only we have the clinicians, but we also have the specialized nurses, the dietitians, and that actually build up the entire program.
I think now we have a big enough team to be able to offer all the modalities of dialysis, from the chronic dialysis right to the continuous renal replacement therapy for critically ill children, and even offering the plasmapheresis services. The program must develop more than us, and I am very confident that the younger generation will be able to lift it to the next height, because the specialty globally is developing.
The only way we can flourish is to put in our due diligence, to develop things we think are important, and the science is always very important, so we should never neglect that.